Welcome to Native Talks, Course A1, Unit 6, Lesson 1. In this lesson, we will learn how to use the simple present tense third person singular negative form. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to use the third person form of the simple present tense to talk about things people do and don't do in different jobs. Third person singular simple present tense negative form. In other tenses, to form the negative, we use the auxiliary verb do not. The only variation occurs in the third person where we use does not. So, as the standard goes, we have our subject, he, she, it, followed by the phrase does not, and then the base verb. So, for example, in the positive note, we would say he speaks Italian. He is the subject, speaks is the positive third person singular verb, Italian is the rest of the sentence. However, in the negative, we change this by dropping the S on the third person singular verb and we add the auxiliary verb does not. He doesn't speak Italian, which is the negative version. Notice the S is dropped from the positive version of speaks, and you add the auxiliary verb does not. In this case, we are using the contraction doesn't, which we have a note here at the bottom. Does is the auxiliary verb. Doesn't is the contraction, or the short form of does not. So doesn't is equal to does not. It's just a shorter form. Again, he doesn't speak Italian. Negative version of he speaks Italian. 2 points again to remember. Drop the S from the third person singular verb, no S, and add the auxiliary verb does not or the contraction short form doesn't. This concludes Native Talks Course A1, Unit 6, Lesson 1. Have a great day.